So you want to learn how to create a custom subscribe button to your video. Keep watching, I got you. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you once again on this channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom subscribe button to your video using inshot. Okay, so this I am doing it on my phone. Okay, so inshot is an application, it's a video editing application that you can use only on your phone, being it on Android or on Apple. So yes, let's get right into it. So when you get into the application, when you get to their stickers, you find out that they already have this that I'm showing you right now. This a sticker of subscribe button, but that is not professional. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm teaching you today how to make your own. Okay, so first of all, you go to the text. Okay, you click on the text, then you type subscribe. So after writing the subscribe, you then go to, okay, so as I'm moving it, you can place it any corner on the video. It's how you wish. So after writing the subscribe, you then go to the color shade that is written, the red, gold and other things. You just go there, and on the text, that is the text that you've written, you change the colors. They have tons of colors, so you choose the color that you want. For the sake of this video, we are going to use red and black. So after choosing the text color, then you go to label. That is the okay, so you choose the label color, the background color. That is it. So I chose black, but they have tons of colors. Okay, you choose what color that fits you. Okay, so that is it. As I'm showing you, there's tons of colors. So you just go blue, green, red, even multiple colors, whatever colors that you want, they got you. I love this app very well. I've been using it for a while and it is very great. It's so beginner friendly. You cannot go wrong using this application. Okay, so after choosing your color, then you come to the transition place. So the transition is what you want to do it. Like if you want it to be popping up as it is showing right now, if you want it to be rolling, or if you want it to be stable, like basic, no transition, it's up to you. So that is where you go to. You see that this thing that's rolling, the circle, this thing that's rolling up and down. Yes, that is the place that you click, and then they have seconds, the time. So if you want it to go faster, you just go to where I'm moving the curves now, going the green section. That is the time. Yeah, so you choose your time, how you want it, and then yes, if you want it to pop like a heart like this, it got you, and many more others. Yes. So this version that I'm using is the paying version. Okay, so if you don't have the paying version, you can still use it freely, but you will only have the basic transition. Okay, the basic one. Yeah, like this one I'm using right now. If you didn't pay for it, you won't get this. Okay, the loop version, you only get the basic one. But still, it's very great. But it will be very professional if you pay for it. It's not that expensive. Okay, it's not that expensive. By the time I was paying mine, it was like 20 euro for a year. Yeah, so let's say $25 for a year, so it's not that expensive. Okay, so after doing this, you want to use that emoji hand, as an arrow to show where people should click on it. Okay, the action. Okay, so you go to the stickers, you come down, and then you find this hand emoji. Okay, yeah, and as I'm showing you, you can roll it as you want. You want it to go left, right, center, anywhere you want it. You can do it using that cursion around it. So that is it. I just place it on it, so that it will be showing. Okay, exactly like this. And then it's up to you to decide the longer how you want it to be. If you want it shortly, you know, or longer, if you want it to be showing longer or short. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you place on it and you drag it. If you want it to be shorter, you click on it and you drag it, you know. Either you drag it shortly or you prolong it. Okay. So we are almost done, but at this point you can choose to leave it like that, or better still, you want to use an effect, a belling effect that shows that when you click it will be like green green. Okay, so yes, you go to the effect section, you click on this music hello normally, yes, then you click on the effect, and then you have tons of effects. Okay, you want to click on the sound effect. So on the sound we have bell, like bell 1, bell 2, bell 3, and so much. So you choose on the sound that you wish. Okay, for me I think I chose the bell 3. Okay, I choose the bell 2, sorry. So the bell 2 give you that sound. Okay, yes, so you just adjust it to where you want the sound to pop out, and that is it. You are almost done.
Up with let's say less than 5 cities.
So that is it, guys. That is it. We are done. So you finished. You can now adjust how you want it to be popping out, popping in, and the time, shadow, and everything. If not, that's quite it. Very easy, isn't it? Well, it's not that complicated. It's beginner friendly. Very easy to use. So if you want to download this app, I will leave the link in the description box below, so you can go and download it. As I'm doing this video, I don't have any referrals with inshot, but hey, why not? If I get a referrals or if I get affiliate link, why not? I will write it down in the description box for you to know that I now have an affiliate link that you can use to download, and I'll get small coins, you know. But for now, as I'm doing this video, I don't have any affiliate. It's just my honest review on this app that I'm giving to you. Very honestly, I do not have any affiliate as I'm talking right now. So that is it, guys. That's quite it. Yeah, we are done. It's just that I was just going around to maybe checking things around, but it's the same process that you just did from the beginning. If you just watch it from the beginning to this end, that means that you are a champion right now. You can do this, and your video will pop up professionally. Instead of using that already made sticker subscribe button in this app, you can do yours. You just do it with your own color, and that's it.